Welcome to today's video, friends. In today's video we are going to study the main characteristics of free verse. The first point is that free verse does not have any fixed rhyme. Traditional poetry, we know it has rhyme, but free verse has no rhyme scheme as such. So that is one point. Then free verse also does not have any particular meter. Many poems, most poems you see of traditional poems are written in different kinds of meter. One type is the iambic pentameter, but free verse has no particular meter. Now the language of free verse, it is conversational. It is like ordinary speaking. It is like common speech that we use in daily life. Also, a poet writing in free verse, he has the freedom to keep the lines long or short according to his or her own convenience. Like a poet can write in the free, in conversational style. Now, again, another characteristic is that a poet writing free verse may use repetition, pauses, different kind of sounds to create a sense of rhythm. So that is also one characteristic of free verse. Free verse, in other words, it has a more freedom of expression than other forms of poems. It also has a lot of imagery, it has symbolism, and the stanzas are of varying length. The lines are also of varying length, different types of lengths in the lines and also in the stanzas. And those poets who write in free verse, they give more stress to their thoughts and emotions than what should be written in a rhyme form, or whether the poem has a standard rhythm or not. They don't care about all these things. They just care on their emotions and thoughts. They care about expressing those, and that is why they write in free verse. And this free verse is the modern style of writing. Now, Walt Whitman, then T.S. Eliot, Ezra Pound, and Carl Sandburg, these are examples of poets who have experimented with the free verse. Walt Whitman in Song of Myself, T.S. Eliot in the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock, Ezra Pound in A Station of the Metro, and Carl Sandburg in the poem Fog. So each of these poems are written in free verse. So let us check two lines here. These two lines are from Carl Sandburg's poem The Fog. So it goes like this, these two lines. The fog comes on little cat feet. Comes and feet, they don't rhyme, okay, and they don't have that standard rhythm form. So it is written in a conversational style, okay. So this is what is called as free verse. In short, free verse, it doesn't have regular rhyme scheme. It doesn't have any meter. It is flexible with lines. Some are short, others are long. Then the imagery is very strong. You can see here the fog comes on little cat feet. So this is a vivid kind of imagery that we see here. And free verse is also quite emotional, basically, and it is more emotional than traditional poems. And that's all for today, friends. Bye.